First, navigate to the Salto changelog to find the deployment containing the previous correct configuration. After selecting it, click Restore. Salto will automatically compare your current production configuration to this earlier state and highlight all differences. In our example, 4 configuration elements have changed, but we're specifically interested in reversing the name location restriction within our conditional access policy. By clicking this change, we can clearly see the details of what exactly was modified. In this case, the locations were removed inadvertently. Once you've reviewed and confirmed the changes, select the modification and preview the deployment. Salto provides a clear summary, ensuring you're comfortable with exactly what will be updated. When you're ready, deploy the change with confidence, knowing only the selected configuration adjustment will be reverted.